India's President Droupadi Murmu launched the country's first homegrown gene therapy for cancer treatment at the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. Gene therapy is used mainly to treat blood cancers and have burgeoned in the past few years. It will cost 1/10 that of comparable commercial products available globally.
The launch ceremony of India's first gene therapy is a major breakthrough in our battle against cancer. As this line of treatment named CAR-T cell therapy is accessible and affordable, it provides a new hope for the whole of humankind. I am sure it will be successful in giving new lives to countless patients. Everyone associated with this humanistic initiative deserves congratulations. CAR-T cell therapy is considered to be one of the most phenomenal advances in medical science. It has been available in the developed nations for some time, but it is extremely costly and beyond the reach of most patients around the world. What is new about the therapy being launched today, as I understand it, is that it costs 90% less than what is available elsewhere.
And Yogesh Sheetal joins us from Mumbai. Yogesh, for the benefit of viewers joining us from around the world, what is gene therapy and why is this Indian design being seen as a breakthrough in the treatment of blood cancer?
See, the gene therapy basically, this is centric on the cell therapy. In generally, what we see that how cancer patients are treated through chemotherapy, as well as through multiple ways like surgery and also through radiation. Now, how this therapy is different? You have asked a very straight question. So I'll just come to something that we have just learned from the scientists here who have just gathered in IIT, where I am a student right now in IIT campus. Scientists from Tata Memorial Center as well as from the IIT. They have just made some very important revelations on the entire method and how the therapy works basically. This is how it happens. The cells are basically taken from the body and then cells are just strengthened and made available in the way that it could resist and it could, just deal with that cancer cells. So this is basically, you can see in chemotherapy, basically we see that the injection or through some multiple ways, medicines is dropped, medicines is injected in the body, and there are certain outcomes, there are certain side effects also that is quite visible. But in this case, there is no side effect, and also there are other things. I can tell you the three important aspects why this therapy is going to be very important. In fact, landmark in the way to cancer treatment: affordability, accessibility, and the third is opportunity. Affordability, as also the president already said, and you have also rightly mentioned that this is going to be affordable for Indian coming to Indian population. And in Mumbai, what we see, number of scores of cancer cases are detected monthly, yearly in India and different pockets of India. Coming to accessibility and affordability, the 1/10 cost, just if you compare the entire cost of the treatment, then this is just around 1/10 of the cost that a cancer patient has to bear if the treatment is taken from any Western country. Second thing, accessibility. Since the medicine has been developed in India, it's completely indigenous. So on the line of Make in India as well as Atmanirbhar Bharat, this is going to be accessible, easily accessible to the patients, and they don't need to wait in a long queue to get that treatment. Third, opportunities. As we have seen recently in the last 2 decades, we have seen the entire era of IT development in information technology, and the entire IT system, IT cities have been set up. Also the Prime Minister has time and again said, and also many experts have said, in the time to come there are lots of opportunities in the field of medicine, and a startup in the field of medicine and medical science. So multiple things, there are multiple pillars, and this is going to be definitely a landmark thing at this point in time. Yeah, Ramesh.
Absolutely, as my colleague Yogesh is pointing out, this is not only affordable and accessible, but it also opens up new opportunities in the field of medical treatment in general and treatment of cancers in particular. Yogesh, thank you. That was my colleague Yogesh Sheetal reporting from Mumbai. Let's now get you the latest on the world.